In this video, I'll be showing you how to allow USB file transfer from Android phone to PC or laptop. It's an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And this setting lies within your phone. Whenever you connect your phone to your PC or laptop, it might just initially look at it as a charging device only and not anything else. So what you want to do is on the top left of your screen, swipe downwards. Then you're going to see USB charging phone. I'm just going to take away everything else so you can see it properly. But you're going to see tap for other USB options. Go ahead and click that. And then right now it's charging phone only. So what I want to go ahead and do is switch it to transferring files or Android Auto. It's going to have to verify that it's me. And then that's it. It's going to be transferring files and Android Auto. And then that's going to allow USB file transferring whenever I want, from both my PC to my phone and my phone to my PC. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There's nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.